Hi guys, it's Jackson Smith. Today we are looking at my Craftsman 1.5 horsepower ultra quiet belt drive. We've had it for about maybe almost 3 years. We replaced it we replaced our GD model 1028 chain drive 3 months after we moved into this house, and because it was very noisy and we didn't like how it, because the features it had was a 1-button remote, no keypad, and just a doorbell button. But with the Craftsman, it has a 3-button remote, a keypad, and a motion light thing. Anyways, I can't get the remote right now because it's in my dad's car and it's outside in the dark. But here's the wall button. We have a light, and then when you wave your hand, it automatically turns on. We have the whole button up here, and then up here, if I can open this cover, we have the on and off for the timer if we want to hold this thing for the timer. When it's set, it blinks, and then when you turn it off, it just makes a simple beep noise. Like that. So, and then there's also a lock, and a switch. I'm try to lock it here. If that works, if it doesn't, I don't know. But there's a learn button. We were gonna run up the garage first, so here we go. Yeah, see, I don't know why you locked it. Probably because you can still operate it with the wall control. I don't know if we can run it with the keypad. I mean, we can try. But I hope we don't get locked out. Let's try. At least. Okay, that's a sensor check. Outside view. Try to make this quick because it's really cold out here. Cars coming down the busy road tonight. You guys can see down there. Bring this back up. We have the 132B2386 Craftsman keypad. I noticed when you have like a Lickmaster or Chamberlain, it has like Lickmaster or Chamberlain on the outside and then here on the inside. But on the Craftsman, it only has it on the outside because it does not have it on the inside. I noticed that. So yeah, let's run it back up. Oh shoot, I did it wrong. Didn't I? Yup. Just to let you know, the door is balanced. And yeah, so I don't want to disengage it and all that stuff. So yeah. So here I can show you how we run the garage door with well, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna come out here, so I guess I could just run it down. There it is up there. Shoot, I can't remember the model number. If I could, I would, but I'm not. I remember the first part. It's 139 stat dot something. Anyways, yeah, we had the 3-button Craftsman remote in my dad's car. It is the I don't remember that either. Anyways, we don't have these two buttons programmed. We are going to, yeah, these two right here. We are going to, when we get the ceiling in the barn, we are going to put 2 garage door openers for our 2 garage doors. So when we do, we are going to, we might program these 2 to that, but this one here goes to the garage door, so we can run that back down. Here we go. And when the button, like the 2 buttons in there that are not programmed to this door, those ones just like turn solid. And the one that is programmed to this door just flashes, like blinks like really fast. It's kind of hard to lock the door because it doesn't go down all the way in place, and it's very loud. We have the release cord here. I'm not gonna mess with that. We've tightened the belt as good as we can. Like when there's like an object in the way, like for example my boot, and the sensor doesn't see it, the belt really sags. But on here it just sags a little. And like when we first got this opener, it really sagged because it was very loose. Anyway, this is a Wayne Dalton garage door. Every house you have a Wayne Dalton, and every house you have a Craftsman. But yeah, we have the little sticker up there. We don't have the warning things. We got rid of that when we got this garage door opener. We are thinking about putting this Craftsman in the barn, getting 2 new openers. We were thinking about putting a Chamberlain B1381 in here. I don't know if that's going to happen, but we have been thinking about that. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good Friday evening or night. Oh, I forgot to show you these. Green and the orange one is over here. Most of you guys call it yellow, but I call it orange. Anyways, have a good Friday evening, or what should I say, night. And yeah, remember to hit that subscribe button, give my channel a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!